Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we will be continuing with fifth session of our chapter number 6 in Organization of Commerce and Management, that is Social Responsibilities of Business. In our previous sessions, we have studied about the social responsibilities of business towards the owners, investors, government, customers and employees. Today we are going to study about the social responsibilities of business towards community, society and the public in general. Business is a part of society and should follow certain duties towards it. Business uses society's resources for production. It therefore becomes obligatory for it to be responsible towards the society. The very first point is protection of environment. Pollutions gets created by working of business. Air, water and noise pollution disturbs the peace of the society. Harmful chemicals released through chimneys causes adverse effect on the health of residents of society. Business should try to control and minimize pollution by adopting to best possible measures. The next point is better and maximum use of resources. Society is the owner of the resources. These resources are scarce. They should not be wasted and should be used in proper manner. The resources should not remain idle. They should be managed carefully to get better results. The next responsibility of business towards society is reservation for weaker sections. Economically weak people look down for business units to provide them with medical and financial help. It is the duty of the business to uplift the weaker sections. For these, few jobs may be reserved for them. Donations should be given from time to time to the institutions helping these needy people. The next point which we come across is development of backward regions. Regional imbalance is a very important point which hinders the development of a nation. For this, the business should come out with new business units to be launched in the backward areas. People in these places will start getting jobs and their standard of living will improve, thereby helping them to grow and develop. The next responsibility of business towards the society is protest against anti-social activities. Business should protest against anti-social activities like black marketing, smuggling, etc. It should not offer bribes to officials. Business should neither get associated with underworld people nor provide any financial assistance for anti-social elements. The next point which we come across is financial assistance. Business should look after the welfare of the community. It should help in social causes like poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, etc. It should provide donations to help the society in cases of emergency and natural calamities. The next responsibility of business towards the society is to prevent congestions. Business should spread industries in different places, preferably located in industrial zones. This will minimize adverse effect on the residential areas. This prevents the congestion in cities. The next point is employment generation. Business should provide job opportunities to the young and well-educated people in the society. It should opt to various expansion and diversification programs whereby the jobs can be generated and the eligible candidates get job opportunities. This helps to reduce unemployment and poverty of the society. Now students, let's move on to the social responsibility of business towards the protection of environment. Nature is balanced and an excellent designer. Business should not create imbalance to the original state of nature. It should be committed to protect and promote the environment. Environment protection means applying and adopting the policies and procedures aimed at conserving natural resources. It also aims to bring down the risk to environment caused by rapid industrialization. The chart here shows how the business uses various raw materials from the environment for production. This extraction of raw materials degrades the environment. Further, the resources should be managed properly. There should be maximum utilization of resources and the wastages should be minimized. Generation of waste and byproducts influences the ecosystem and climate. Now let's see the effects of business on environment. Business causes air pollution, water pollution, sound pollution and electronic garbage. Air pollution. Different harmful gases emerging from chemical industries, burning of coal, vehicle smokes, excessive use of pesticides, etc. causes air pollution. Now water pollution. Harmful chemicals, fertilizers, pesticides, refineries contaminates the water. Sound pollution. With increase in industries and transportations, congestion problems are increased. It results in unbearable sound pollution. Next is electronic garbage. Wastage created from mobiles, TV, laptops, other electronic equipments have various harmful products like lead, chromium in it. This creates pollution in the environment. The above has affected the environment adversely. To control it, waste production techniques needs to be followed. The waste protection techniques are: number 1, reduction, wherein waste reduction should be preferable. Next is reuse. If it is practicable, the product should be reused. Next, recycle. Recycle should be considered when reduction and reuse is not possible. Last is recovery. Recovery of materials or energy from the waste which cannot be reduced, reused or recycled. So students, with this we come to an end with our today's session. Hope you all are doing well. Keep healthy, be safe. Thank you.